Hey, today we are gonna be making easy, creamy strawberry popsicles. These are so good for the summertime. If you're new here, my name is Linda and this is Vegan Petite, but for now, let's get into the recipe. All right, at this stage, you want to taste and check that it's sweet enough for you. That's perfect. But if you want it sweeter, add more maple syrup. For these popsicles, I got these really cool silicone popsicle molds. It makes it easy to pop them out when they're done. I found these on Amazon, and they come with the little popsicle sticks, as well as a little collapsible funnel if you need a little help pouring them in. I usually don't use the funnel though, but this is a good mold. I will link it in the description for you below. Look how perfect these little popsicles came out, and they're just the right size, super healthy, easy. Let's try them. So good. Yeah, you really get the freshness, fruitiness of the strawberries, the creaminess from the coconut, even though it doesn't taste like coconut too much, and just the right bit of sweetness from that maple syrup. These are perfect to cool you off all summer long. Be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this recipe. Also subscribe and hit the notification bells so you don't miss future videos. I share new videos every Sunday at 6 a.m. Pacific time. And comment below, besides strawberries, what other kind of fresh or frozen fruits are you gonna try out for your popsicles this summer? I'll see you next week. Bye.